Welcome back, friends! Now, do you guys know what snoring is? It's when you make noises with your nose when you're sleeping. Does anyone in your family snore at nighttime? Today, we are reading the book called Bear Snores On. Ready, set, read! Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls into the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare pops in. "Hi, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. The bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps can we share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger said with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Oh, they're dancing. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh no! And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. The end. Bear snored so much. His friends could barely wake him up. I love reading books about Bear and his friends. I hope that you guys do too. I hope you guys all have the best day ever. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.